I just thought we'd show you a video with what happens when you pivot. The machine is set up to pivot, which means it's going to stop and raise the foot. You can see how high that foot has come up, and if I press down firmly on my template, I can actually make the template go underneath that pivoted foot. When I don't have pivot on, my template can't go under the foot, and depending on how high your machine rises, when it pivots, you may find that your machine goes high enough to go over the template. So when we're quilting with rulers, we do not want to have our pivot setting in use. So we turn the pivot off. Because the foot is floating, if we want to turn our fabric, we can turn the fabric without it having to pivot. So I'll turn that pivot off. And now when I sew, my foot won't rise every time I stop. It stays exactly where I want it to. But it's in the lowered position, and I want to turn my fabric. I don't need the assistance of the pivot setting to turn it because the foot is floating above the fabric. So that's the reason why we don't want to use our pivot functions.